Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my hand care routine with all of you guys and how I get beautiful soft looking hands. I do this routine weekly. I don't only do it for my hands, I actually do it for my feet as well. And I feel like it really helps my hands stay really soft and hydrated as well. It's a really simple routine which all of you guys can follow. You guys probably already have all the ingredients at home. So if you want to see my super simple, easy and effective hand care routine, keep on watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube, please hit the subscription box below and please don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new remedy. And let's move right into the video. I like to start off my routine by soaking my hands in a bowl of warm water, and all I'm popping in here is a little bit of essential oil. This is some lavender oil, and this really helps set the tone and really relax me, and creates like a spa environment in my house. I soak my hands for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I move right into the scrub. All I use for my homemade scrub is some white sugar. To that I squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lemon, and then I like to add some extra virgin olive oil, and this really leaves the hands feeling so soft. All I do now is mix the scrub really well and create a nice paste consistency and start scrubbing onto my hands. By this time your hands skin should already be really soft from the soaking, and the scrub helps get rid of all that dead skin that's on the surface of the skin. I like to scrub for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I like to kind of massage my hands while I do scrub them. I like to also focus on my cuticle area because that's where I get the most of my dead skin, as well as the palms of my hands. Then I move right into my mask. The mask I like to use for my hands is this really simple egg mask, and all I use is the egg whites. You can always use the egg yellows for like as a moisturizing mask after the egg whites, but I just prefer using the whites. All I do with the whites is whisk it up and just apply that foam onto my hands. After applying the mask on my hands, I just leave it to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it right off with a bit of warm water. Moving on to our last step, I like to apply a bit of moisture back into my hands after doing the egg white mask. You can use a really nice hand cream. Over here I'm using jojoba oil, and this oil is amazing for dry hands and feet. It really helps put all that moisture back into your hands and then also rehydrates your skin. I like to then massage my hands and really focus on my cuticles, my knuckles, my palms, and really take all that tension out of my hands, and this really helps me calm down and leave my hands feeling so soft, guys. You gotta try this out. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do try it out. It is so simple, and I'm sure all of you guys already have these ingredients, and it is really effective. It works for men and women. Even though I know men can have quite tough skin, it is quite effective. I've done it on my husband, and his hands are quite hard and they became like super soft as well. So please try it out no matter what. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube. Please don't forget to do so, and follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you. Bye.